The choice between a Dell XPS and a MacBook Pro represents one of the most significant decisions in premium laptop computing. Both machines command respect in their respective ecosystems, yet they embody fundamentally different philosophies about what a professional laptop should be. The Dell XPS line, particularly the XPS 13 and 15 models, has earned its reputation through relentless refinement of the Windows Ultrabook formula. These machines feature precision-milled aluminum chassis with carbon fiber palm rests, creating a distinctive aesthetic that balances industrial design with practical ergonomics. The Infinity Edge display technology pushes bezels to near invisibility, maximizing screen real estate within compact dimensions. This design language prioritizes efficiency of space, allowing a 13-inch display to fit within a footprint traditionally reserved for 11-inch machines. MacBook Pro design follows Apple's established principles of unibody construction and material consistency. The entire chassis is carved from a single block of aluminum, eliminating seams and potential structural weaknesses. This approach yields exceptional rigidity and a distinctive feel that has become synonymous with premium computing. The latest iterations incorporate the refined keyboard mechanism that addresses previous reliability concerns, while the Force Touch trackpad remains the industry benchmark for precision and gesture recognition. Performance characteristics diverge significantly based on processor architecture. Dell XPS models utilize Intel or AMD processors running Windows 11, providing compatibility with the broadest software ecosystem in personal computing. Configuration options span from efficient Ultrabook processors to high-performance H-series chips in the XPS 15 and 17, accommodating workflows from web development to three-dimensional rendering. Thermal management in these compact chassis represents sophisticated engineering, employing vapor chamber cooling and strategic vent placement to maintain performance under sustained loads. MacBook Pro performance entered a new paradigm with Apple Silicon. The M-series chips integrate processor, graphics, memory, and neural processing into a unified architecture optimized specifically for macOS. This integration yields remarkable performance per watt, enabling the 14-inch and 16-inch models to sustain professional workloads while maintaining battery life that exceeds most Windows alternatives by substantial margins. The performance cores handle demanding tasks with efficiency that often surpasses higher wattage Intel processors, while efficiency cores manage background processes with minimal power draw. Display technology represents another area of meaningful differentiation. XPS laptops offer multiple panel options, including ultra-high-definition displays with Adobe RGB color gamut coverage exceeding 90%. The OLED options available on certain configurations deliver true blacks and infinite contrast ratios, though with the organic material longevity considerations inherent to the technology. Brightness levels typically range from 400 to 500 nits, adequate for most indoor environments, but potentially limiting in direct sunlight. MacBook Pro displays utilize mini LED backlighting technology branded as Liquid Retina XDR. This approach employs thousands of individual dimming zones, enabling peak brightness exceeding 1,600 nits for HDR content, while maintaining deep blacks through precise local dimming. The sustained brightness of 1,000 nits for standard content surpasses most laptop displays, making these machines exceptionally capable for outdoor use or brightly lit environments. Color accuracy comes factory calibrated to industry standards, with P3 wide color gamut support essential for professional creative work. Operating system choice fundamentally shapes the user experience and workflow possibilities. Windows 11 on XPS machines provides unparalleled software compatibility, from legacy enterprise applications to cutting-edge development tools. The flexibility to run virtually any software, modify system-level settings, and integrate with diverse hardware ecosystems makes Windows the platform of choice for many technical professionals. Gaming support, while not the primary focus of these professional machines, remains vastly superior to macOS alternatives. macOS on MacBook Pro offers a Unix-based foundation with a refined user interface that prioritizes consistency and integration. The operating system excels in creative workflows, with professional applications like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro optimized specifically for Apple Silicon. The seamless integration with iOS and iPadOS through features like Universal Control and AirDrop creates an ecosystem advantage for users invested in Apple devices. Security and privacy features are deeply integrated at the system level, with hardware-based protections and stringent app sandboxing. Ecosystem considerations extend beyond the laptop itself. XPS machines integrate naturally with the broader Windows and Android ecosystem, supporting cross-platform services and hardware from numerous manufacturers. This openness provides flexibility but requires more active management of integrations and compatibility. Peripheral support is comprehensive, with Thunderbolt 4 and USB-C ports, accepting virtually any accessory or dock. MacBook Pro ecosystem integration shines for users with iPhones, iPads, and other Apple devices. Handoff allows seamless transition of work between devices, while iMessage and FaceTime maintain consistent communication experiences. The walled garden approach limits some flexibility, but ensures tested compatibility and optimized performance for supported accessories and services. Price positioning places both lines in the premium category, though with different value propositions. XPS configurations start at lower entry points, with base models offering capable performance for general professional use. Higher-end configurations with maximum specifications can approach or exceed MacBook Pro pricing, particularly when matching display quality and storage capacity. The Windows ecosystem provides more flexibility for post-purchase upgrades in some models, though modern XPS designs increasingly prioritize thinness over user serviceability. MacBook Pro pricing reflects Apple's integrated approach, with higher base costs offset by longer useful lifespans and superior resale values. The efficiency of Apple's silicon translates to lower total cost of ownership for users who value battery longevity and sustained performance. Educational and professional discounts can narrow the price gap, while the absence of user-upgradable components necessitates careful initial configuration selection. The superior choice depends entirely on individual priorities and existing commitments. XPS laptops excel for users requiring Windows-specific software, maximum configuration flexibility, or integration with diverse hardware ecosystems. The platform serves technical professionals who value openness and compatibility above ecosystem integration. MacBook Pro represents the optimal choice for creative professionals invested in Apple's ecosystem, users prioritizing battery life and sustained performance, or those whose workflows center on macOS-optimized applications. The unified hardware and software experience delivers reliability and efficiency that justifies the premium for appropriate use cases. Neither machine is objectively superior. Each excels within its intended context, serving distinct professional needs with exceptional capability.